Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to get gold notes on Instagram. So the first thing I want to do right now is going to be make sure you have both updated for your software and your applications. So go to settings right here, and as you can see, let me just go back on the landing page of settings. So once you're in here, go to general. And by the way, before I proceed, if you're using an iOS device, the process is identical. It's perfectly the same, alright? So first, check on your software update and make sure that there is no pending update. So we have checked our device with no pending update. Let's go over to the App Store or Play Store for this one. And then we just search for Instagram. And as you can see right here, there is a pending update on my Instagram account. So please update this one on your end. However, on my end, I have updated this since last night. So I still have the latest version up until tonight that works on the golden notes. So on your end, please make sure this is updated. Moreover, open up your Instagram account right here, click on your icon right there, and then you can now move over and create your notes by clicking the message icon as well. Now you'll see here what's new and enter a note. So the keyword here is use emojis that's representing the favorite color you have. For example, right here, I'm going to type in here hello, and I'm going to add the color gold right there, and these are going to be the gold emojis that will really help me out. So just be simply acting this right here, click on share right there, and basically this will now turn gold. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.